Have you ever wondered what it looks like to take apart 100 motorcycles? Well, here you go. We took apart brands from Harley-Davidson to Aprilia, Ducati, the Japanese Big Four, BMW, and of course, a couple Indians. So I hope you enjoy seeing 100 motorcycles get disassembled. Hopefully, it's a little chaotic. We're going to take a quick commercial break to answer two questions that you might be having right now. First, where did we get 100 motorcycles to take apart? Well, if you go into the description, I put a link down there to a video where we bought 100 motorcycles. Second question you might be having is, why are we taking them apart? Again, if you go down in the description, there's going to be a link to an eBay store where we sell all the parts from all these motorcycles and other motorcycles that we've taken apart. Let's get back to taking apart the rest of these 100 motorcycles. Beyond just motorcycles, we included a few mules, side-by-sides, and a snowmobile into the mix. So see if you can spot those throughout the video. In fact, let's make it a little bit of a competition. First person to comment the color of the snowmobile gets their comment pinned. Before we finish this up, let us know which one was your favorite and what motorcycle we should take apart, and of course, don't forget to like the video and drop a subscribe.